Alright guys, so as you can see on my screen right here, they say product manager, but if you look at the top, you're going to see where they say jobs. You can see jobs right here, and here you can see they say product manager. You can see they say design, right? You can see design right there, and you can see other jobs that are actually available. You can see project manager, business analytics, and customer service, and talent acquisition specialist. So these are actually jobs that are actually available. I found out about this recently, and I just feel like let's talk about it. As you're welcome to my channel, here I talk about different updates right here that can actually help serve as a side hustle for you, especially right here in Nigeria. And if you want to get more updates from me, do want to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates. So guys, I'm actually doing this video by the weekend, so please just comment happy weekend down in the comment section. So in today's video, I want us to look at different platforms that offers different opportunity. So recently I drop a post in my group asking people what type of updates do you want. Now most of them message me and ask me that they want updates that is completely free. Some say they want update that they will not put much effort. Some say they want jobs, some say they want skills. People want different type of things. In this particular video, I'm going to show you guys 3 different kind of platforms that offer different kind of jobs that you can try and earn extra cash for yourself, especially right here in Nigeria. Please note that this is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Anything I share here is just an information. Just take it for educational purpose, not a financial advice. And also, based on when you're watching this video, feel free to do your own research, because what is working for me today might not work later in the future. Things change, right? So please, based on when you're watching this video, please, it's very important, just do your own research, a little background research before you try any method I'm going to mention in this particular video today. So there are a lot of online earning opportunities out there, but the first online earning opportunity that I have actually choose today can help you work from home just with your smartphone or with your laptop with your extra time. So the first online opportunity that I want to talk about today is called online micro tasks. This is when different platforms offer you the opportunity to complete online jobs, online tasks, small online tasks, and you get rewarded for that. So for example, there is this platform here that I have been using that actually offers this opportunity. They call it freebies right here, and as you can see, they say get remote tasks and daily. You can see they say get remote workers to engage on your post. You can see they have a lot of other things. They say get remote jobs to earn 247. Now this platform, they actually offer real jobs. So if you have an online skill, they have a part where you can actually apply for real jobs. There are people that are looking for workers like video editors, graphic designers, all those type of stuff. You can actually come here and get workers that will actually work and complete your project. Now, if you are a freelancer, you're looking for work, you can come here, sign up on this platform and fill up your profile. Another thing they do right is that they offer micro tasks. These are 2 different things. Online jobs, which you need to have skill. Micro tasks, you don't need any skill, right? So you don't need any skill. This one are social tasks that you actually complete and they reward you for that. These are 2 different things, and they have affiliate program. They have other things you can do right here and you can actually get rewarded. There are a lot of other platforms that work like this, right? But I personally choose this one. I am using a lot of them, but I choose to talk about this one because it has more features than most of the other ones that I have come across, right? So this is the first method you can use to earn extra cash for yourself every single day. So the next online site also I can actually talk about is called online testing. This is when you test out apps, websites, bugs, and other different things, and you get paid for that. And the thing is that there are a lot of websites that offer this opportunity, but if you want me to give you a list of the top websites that offer this particular opportunity, just comment testing. They have an academy. Now this academy will show you how you can go about the platform, how to use the platform, how you can earn, the different ways you can earn. And you can see the same why you test about us. You can see the same project, your favorite brands rely on you test. You can see they have their partners. They have Google is here, PayPal is here, this other company is here. They have Prada is here. Let's see some other companies. This one is L'Oreal. They have Spotify is here. Let's see the other one. They have Uber. So you can see So they have different partners, even Sony too. So they have different partners right here that partner with them to gather data. So this is actually an active community, right? So they say find powerful, meaningful work in technology. So this afternoon, I just signed up an account with the platform. I just finished setting up my profile. I'm still working on that, and I'm waiting for them to invite me. Now, let me give you a little tip. If you have a PC, please use your PC. If you're using your phone, make sure you put it on desktop mode. Let's check out this particular side hustle I found out recently. This is actually not a side hustle because this is a job opportunity I found out about recently, and I want us to talk about it today. Let's see how it actually works. Let's see if Nigerians can access it or if it's not available in Nigeria. So the third side hustle method, this is not really a side hustle, but this is a job opportunity, and this is for people that are really looking for jobs, right? And I don't know how long this will last, and I don't know how long this has been here because I don't really use this too much. So I found this on Twitter, now called X. I found it on Twitter. So I just came on Twitter this morning and I saw jobs right here on Twitter, and you can see that's jobs. And if I click on jobs, you're going to see different jobs that are actually available right here. So I say, let me scroll down. Let me click on customer support, for example. They show me different companies that are actually looking for workers for customer support right here. So I decided to say, let me search by location. So I came here, I click on this customer support. They brought this location. So let me go ahead and click on Nigeria, for example. So if I come here and put Nigeria, you can see all of them right here, and I can see some nice page right here. You can see some of them. You can see some of them. These are companies that are actually looking for customer support. Let me click on Kuda direct sales agents. You can see direct sales agent for Kuda Ikoyi. This is in Lagos. 3 million per year. Divide 3 million per year into 12 months. So let's say 3 million naira divided by 12. So it means in a month you earn up to 250,000 naira in a month if you do this job. This is the job description right here and everything you need to know about this job. Come down here and click on apply. Just apply for this job right here. Now there are a lot of jobs here, so there's no how you apply for 20 to 50 jobs that 1 or 2 or 5 will not call you if you are really looking for a job or if you're looking for work. Not just Kuda. This is from Kuda, but there are a lot of other companies. This is Money Point. One is from Paystack. There are a lot of other companies right here that are looking for workers. I mean, there are a lot of them. So I just saw this morning. You can see Fair Money. I saw this morning. I said, okay, let me search and see what is available for Nigerians. And I said, okay, let me come here and share this with you guys for those of you that are actually looking for jobs and you really want to work right here. So these are 3 different opportunities that you can actually tap into. The first one is freebies. They have online jobs and they also have online micro tax. The second one right here is called You Test, where you actually try different testing, test apps, test websites, and you actually get paid. And the third one right here, these are job opportunities that are available on Twitter that you can apply for these jobs. If you're qualified, they can hire you and you can start working and you can make money for yourself. Will you try these opportunities this new month? Just share your thoughts in the comment section. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.